I'd like to say two things about cities. The first is that city, yes, city is land, buildings, transport, traffic, everything, but city is basically people. The concept of the city must in some way define the people. Just the experience of Ahmedabad, for example, I've been hearing over the last, say, 30 years, the earlier models were London and New York. We then moved to Singapore, and today we are Shanghai. When you actually go to Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Indore, you hear the pride in wanting to become a world-class city, a global city, a mega city. And what it means is that you're linked into the international, into the national, financial systems especially. If you look at city as people, then there are two issues. First issue is that I think it came out in the figures very nicely, but you actually see it in the city itself, is that the cities are highly unequal. The other issue on the city, the town, any town, is that if a town is to prosper and become even a world-class town, the city is people, the city as an economic entity. And in this economic entity, 80% of people work in informal employment. There are street vendors, small manufacturing, lots of labor, including domestic workers. Unfortunately, the policies of the city is such that these types of workers do not prosper. So livelihoods, though it's more than perhaps rural areas or some rural areas, but real growth of livelihoods, growth of entrepreneurship, growth of enterprises is cut. And it is cut due to policies. In Ahmedabad, I can think of 4 areas where 20 years ago, they were a little bit outside the city, street vendors were settled by the municipal corporation. They were given space. 20 years, and they had their livelihood, they grew into the middle class almost. The city grew, the land became more valuable, the road was widened, and they were removed. The rules were changed under them because they had no rights. The work they did was neither recognized nor enshrined in any kind of rights within the city. My organization Seva works in Delhi also, and we work in an area called Savda Ghebra, which is part of resettlement of some of those Yamuna Pishta people. Many of them were domestic workers. They moved away. They have to travel 2 hours a day because their men are unemployed to come back to their work. A lot of them were small manufacturing. They were given 15 square meters houses in Savda Ghebra. But because of planning rules, they are not allowed to do commercial activity here. So they have to hide their small manufacturing, whereas given that open space, they are keen to expand their small manufacturing bigger and bigger. I've seen a young man working a lathe and then suddenly closing down his doors because the MCD people were going to come, and if they saw the lathe, they would confiscate it, lathe in his house. So a lot of lack of growth, lack of facilities are just due to policies.